Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the second question in exercise 6.2. E and F are points on the sides of PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. So first let's draw the diagram, set the points E and F, and then we'll take up each of these cases. So first let's draw a triangle. So I'm marking the triangle as PQR. Now what was given? E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR. So let's mark E and F. In the place PQ, I have the point E. Between PR, I have the point F. So the points are now marked. Now they are asking us to check whether EF is parallel to QR. So let me also connect the E and F here. Now with the data given, we are going to check in each case whether EF is going to be parallel to QR. So let's first take the first case here. PE is equal to 3.9 centimeters. So we'll mark all the numbers first. PE is equal to 3.9 centimeters. EQ is given as 3 centimeters. PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter, and finally FR is equal to 2.4 centimeters. According to BPT, EF can be parallel to QR only if PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. So if only this condition matches, then we can declare EF is going to be parallel to QR. So let's calculate these ratios now and check whether they are equal. So PE divided by EQ means 3.9 divided by EQ is 3. So let's simplify this. 3 tables at both will go. So it is 1.3 divided by 1 or simply 1.3. Now let's calculate this PF divided by FR. So PF in this case is 3.6 divided by FR is 2.4. So if you strike this in 12 tables, this is going to be equal to 0.3 divided by 0.2, or simply I can write this as 3 by 2 or 1.5. Now we have seen that your PE divided by EQ is not equal to PF divided by FR. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. So we can close this value like this. In the next subdivision, let's take the next set of values. So let us take the second subdivision. So here PE is given as 4 centimeters, QE is given as 4.5 centimeters, PF is given as 8 centimeters, and RF is given as 9 centimeters. So now again we are going to compute PE divided by EQ, and we are going to compute PF divided by FR. If they both are the same, then we can declare these two lines as parallel. So PE in this case is 4, EQ is 4.5. So if I had to simplify, I can multiply it by 10 both sides. So 40 divided by 45, in simplest form, it is 8 divided by 9. Now let's do this for PF divided by FR. So PF is given as 8, RF is given as 9. RF and FR are the same. So now we see these two fractions are the same. Since PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, I can claim that EF is parallel to QR according to BPT theorem. So you can also justify from this statement, you are deriving the statement EF is parallel to QR because of BPT theorem. Now let's look at the third case. In the third case, PQ is given as 1.28, PR is given as 2.56, PE is given as 0.18, and PF is given as 0.36 centimeters in each case. Okay. Now let us, in this previous cases, we were checking PE by EQ and PF by FR. According to BPT, we can also check that PQ by PE, if it is equal to PR divided by PF, then this will also still imply EF is parallel to QR. So now let's start testing with our given values. So here PQ is given as 1.28 divided by PE is given as 0.18. So I can remove the fractions. So this will become 128 divided by 18. On simplification, it is 64 by 9. Now let's repeat the whole process by PR for PR by PF. PR is given to you as 2.56 divided by PF is 0.36. Simply multiply by 100 in both cases. So this is 256 by 36, which on simplification will give you another 64 by 9. You are dividing both the case by 4 tables. So now what you see is these two ratios are the same. So we are seeing that PQ by PE is equal to PR by PF. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.